Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hair by Lian. Today I'm gonna show you how I do haircut. It's gonna be haircut tutorial. Now we're gonna start. We start with preparing hair for haircut.
Forever in your heartbeat. I can hear your heart. Forever in your heartbeat.
Now we split hair into sections and haircut start from one section and do another sections, like step by sections.
Forever in your heartbeat. Forever in your heartbeat. I can hear your heart. Forever in your heartbeat.
Now we're gonna start haircut. And we start from back side, and every section we're gonna split on layers, and then we're gonna start from like down layer, going from down and going on up.
These are strange times. Spent so long so disconnected. I'm trying to get to somewhere real again.
please watch this video till the end if you wanna see whole haircut.
Now I finished cut back side and I'm gonna start cut left side and after right side.
Smoking in the backseat with a future enemy. Let loose and lose yourself tonight. Fuck her on the balcony and call it self-discovery. Let loose and lose yourself tonight.
you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.